Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn EVS and I am your EVS teacher Shweta Navkhare. Today we learn lesson number 8, House we live in. In this lesson, my dear student, we are going to learn about different types of houses which are present in our surrounding. But before starting the lesson, I would like to ask one question. Do you know why we need a house? Yes? Okay. My dear student, we need house because house keeps us safe. It also protects us from heat, rain, wind and storm. It protects us from different kind of weather. It protects us from heat, cold, rain and bad weather. It protects us from wild animals and thieves. We feel comfortable inside our house, so we need house. There are different types of houses in our society. Some houses are very big. Some houses are very small. Some houses are permanent house and some houses are temporary. So, my dear student, the types of houses depends upon the resources, means the material which are present in the surrounding. And it also depends upon the weather condition. How is the weather of that particular area? So, based on the material, there are two types of houses, Kacha house and Pakka house. Then what is the difference between the Kacha house and Pakka house? The basic difference is the material from which it is made up of. Now see in the picture given in the textbook, two pictures are given and we have to identify the type of house. So the first one is Kacha house and second one is Pakka house. We all are living in a city. But have you seen such type of houses in village? Yes, these are the Kacha house. Kacha house is made up of mud, bamboo, straw, leaves and wood. This type of house we see in the villages. These houses are not strong and it is not expensive. Then the next house is Pakka house. Pakka house is made up of bricks, wood, glass, cement and iron. These houses are expensive. In big cities and towns, we observe such type of houses. Have you seen bungalows, flats, multi-storage building around you? All these are Pakka house. These are strong house. Now you understood the basic difference between Kacha house and Pakka house? Now we see temporary houses. Temporary means we can move the house from one place to another. Some houses can be moved from one place to another. Such houses are called temporary houses. So let's see some example of temporary houses. Example of temporary houses. The first example is houseboat. A houseboat is a floating house. This type of houses mostly found in Jammu Kashmir and Kerala. This is moving house on water and it has all the facilities that can found in normal house. It is made up of wood and it is built on board and it is beautifully decorated. See in the picture children, houseboat. Houseboat is found in Jammu Kashmir and Kerala. Then the second temporary house is wheel caravans. Some people move from one place to another in search of food and water and they are known as nomads, means khanabadosh. Such people live in houses on wheels called wheel caravans. In villages, people use bullock carts to move from one place to another, whereas others use bus, cars and turn it into a movable house. That khanabadosh, they don't have permanent house. That nomad peoples, they don't have permanent house, so they use wheel caravans. The next house is tent house. Some houses are made up of canvas. Canvas is a special type of cloth and they are called tents. This type of house can be folded easily and carried along. They are very easy to put up. Some people live at one place for short time. People also go for picnic in forest area. They used to carry this for their comfort. Such tents are used by mountaineers and campers. Our army also use this type of houses. These are the tent houses and it is made up of cloth. So here we learn the chapter. Now let's revise the lesson. Today's topic. Our first topic is why do we need house? Why do we need house? Because it protects us from heat, cold, rain and bad weather. It also protects us from wild animals and thieves. And we feel safe and comfortable inside our house. Next we learn the topic Kacha house and Pakka house. Kacha house is not strong and it is cheap and Pakka house is strong and it is very expensive. Then temporary house. There are different types of temporary house. Temporary house means the house move from one place to another. These are the example of temporary houses. First is houseboat, wheel caravans and tents. So read the lesson carefully children, understand it, learn the definitions. Thank you and take care. Bye bye.